Hell yeah!
What up, boys? We're back working on the EM1 today. The floor got a little bit cleaner than it did in the last video. I'll show you guys. We got a lot of stuff done today. Like, it's a little bit different than when we started the EG, because the EG we did the engine, suspension, and then like the exterior and then the interior last. This car is a little bit different because we're waiting on parts, but I'll show it to you guys. The car looks really good. It's coming along. What'd you guys get done today? Look at the floor first. You guys remember the floor last time was like parts here, parts there, parts there. So this is some of the parts that are left. We're missing a lot.
That's garbage.
Oh, some of that is garbage?
This is garbage.
Well, those are our old mounts.
Somebody wants to buy some mounts, 50 bucks.
Nah, dude, he's bullshitting. Those mounts are ready for another car.
They're for another car, 50 bucks, who am I giving? Hit me up on Instagram.
He's definitely lying. My boy dropped off the sway bar today, freshly painted. That thing looks really good.
You mean powder coated? But
Is that powder coat? That shit looks like paint.
you don't paint parts, bro.
You can paint. You can paint parts.
It's gonna chip off.
No, you can paint parts.
Well,
Nothing really happened here. I just pulled out the engine harness today because we got to run the engine harness. Got a brand new ktuned engine harness.
I think J-Rock was sleeping today. What do you think?
No, did you? Nah. Don't let him fool you. J-Rock did the most work here.
No, I didn't. I barely touched this car today. It was all J-Rock.
So the radiator's right here. We still have to mount this up. Something's gonna have to happen here, but we're not gonna get there just yet. But the interior looks really good. It's not completely done yet, but we're waiting on the door panels. We have the door panels, we have to put them on, but we have no power to the windows right now, so we can't roll them down. But check this out. The dash is back. I thought you guys were putting in a radio. What happened?
Oh, let me show you guys.
Yeah, what happened? I thought you guys were putting in a subwoofer.
Best of both worlds, baby.
What is it? Oh, you guys got that's a carbon block off that's in here.
Oh, it's a carbon block off. This is nice. And then I got a ghost box. So what this is, for people who don't know, is this is a Bluetooth box, connects to your phone, and this is pretty much your radio for the car.
That's
and you can
fire.
It plugs into the factory harness, and you can hide it anywhere inside the car. So we're probably gonna hide it somewhere behind the dash, but it's pretty dope.
Yeah, Charles, take a minute real quick and walk through this interior, because the carpet's back in. These are OEM Honda floor mats. Those are back. You guys put the center console back over the shift box, which make it look, they kind of make it look OEM, which is fucking great. And then I can see these are you guys zinc plated those, or not zinc, nickel plated those, and the bracket back there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of hard.
We're probably gonna make a custom carbon cover to put inside here.
Is there a carbon cover in there?
Yeah, to cover this area kind of, and then this is gonna be exposed obviously because it looks pretty dope.
That's probably my favorite shift box right now.
And
oh, you guys put a harness bar.
Harness bar. And
the rear seats are in now. We put the fuel pump in today. The car actually got an AEM 340, so that should be enough fuel for the car. And then
I got a nice steering wheel in here.
Oh, can we see the steering wheel?
No.
No, you have to spoil one good thing here. Just let's see the steering wheel, because they don't know about the seats.
All right.
Just show them the steering wheel. We're waiting on the hub to come in, so. I see there's two steering wheels here on the floor. You must have been indecisive.
No, this, I don't know what the hell was going on. It wasn't me, but right here, baby. Nice Momo steering wheel.
Damn, that thing is
direct
fire.
stitching, NSX horn.
That's an NSX OEM horn?
Yeah, OEM from Honda.
That thing is nice. So imagine you guys, that thing on there. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the steering wheel? Drop in the comments if you like the steering wheel. I'm a fan of OEM stuff, but this actually looks really good.
A little touch of OEM over here. But the seats, is we're gonna set this fucking car off, so.
I can't wait to see it. The interior is pretty much complete, besides I put some door panels on. We have to put the armrest in, and then the steering wheel. This thing looks really good. Drop in the comments so far, what do you guys think of the build? I think it's coming out pretty good. We still gotta get some windows, windshield, brakes, rotors, spindles. We gotta put the axles.
Turbo kit.
No.
Turbo kit. Comment below, I want a turbo kit in here.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boys, we're back working on the EM1 today. A lot of work has got done. We got so much stuff done. I didn't want to show every single process of the car because sometimes that gets a little boring. The car's not completely finished, but I'll show you guys what we got done. We'll start from the bottom, work our way up. Last time you guys seen the car, I had no lower control arms, no front spindles. Interior was not all together, but I'll get started. I'll show you guys what got done. We still got a lot of work left to do, but I got my brother with me today too.
So like you said, first, kind of want to apologize to you guys. I know you guys want to see some of the process going on, but we've just been having super long days here, super busy days, so it's just kind of hard to record throughout the day. And if you see right now, it is 9:20, and it's not morning, it's 9:30 at night. Like, you see it's dark.
Yeah, it's dark outside. We should be closed, but we're not. But last time they seen, we had used rotors on the back, so we got brand new rotors up here, both sides.
Yeah, brand new rotor all the way around.
The calipers are on.
The brake lines are in. Look at that, ktuned.
Stainless brake lines.
Yep, ktuned
Camber kit.
ktuned camber kit. Skunk 2 arms.
Yeah, I think they seen the skunk arms.
Oh, they did, yeah.
But we didn't have the calipers on last time.
Look, even the bolts for the bracket, like every detail, like all the bolts on this car is brand new, literally.
All right, so both brake lines are on, and the front ones are on. Rear calipers are on. All the hardware's on. So the back is pretty much complete, no?
Look at this fucking car. Looks like it came off the fucking showroom floor, right? Straight from Honda.
It does. Looks really, really good.
This shit's still fucking nice and zinc.
All right, so what got done on the front half of the car?
Everything. Got the new control arms. These are brand new, literally out the box.
Let me show you guys. Hold on.
But these are literally brand new control arms and A-arms.
Let's get the details real quick. So these are brand new lower control arms.
Power not painted. They're literally brand new out the box.
Brand new. Oh, hold up.
And we got the axles.
Oh, you got
brand new calipers.
Brand new calipers, brand new rotors, new axles. These look good, super powder coated. The fork arms, brake lines are in the front. So full spindles are on.
And we also got the S2000 alternator.
Oh yeah.
The reason why we went with the S2000 alternator is because it has a 7-rib belt. So we can have a nice belt, you know, not a 3-rib and, you know.
And last time you guys seen, we were waiting on the electric water pump. So now we have to run a line from here, get AN fitting up to the water plate, tracked off water plate. So it's gonna go from there to here, and then from here to the radiator, which you guys didn't see. I'll lower the car down now so you guys can check out exactly what got done. The J-Rock mounted the radiator. We got a SpeedFactory tucked radiator right here. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to tell, but so I'll show you guys where it's mounted. SpeedFactory. I'm still waiting on the hood latch to come in, but he mounted tabs there and there on the stock radiator support. And I'll show you guys, we got AN line on both. AN line here. This one's gonna go to here, and then the bottom one I was gonna go to the side of the water pump. And I don't think too much has changed. The only thing that's changed is we put the S2000 alternator from the last time you guys seen. The throttle cable is also on, and the battery tray, we're gonna put the catch can right there. So we got the Downstar firewall plugs in also. Or the rest of the firewall plugs.
Yeah.
All right, so on the front, so we got the headlights in, CTR headlights are on. Like I said, calipers are on the front. We have to bleed the brakes. We're gonna get the rest of the brake lines tomorrow. What's the goal for tomorrow?
I don't know. Look, the pile got smaller, I know that.
The pile is completely empty. This is.
Wait, you can't fast forward there yet.
Why?
What else did we do?
There's not too much got done to the engine bay.
We got the radiator. Was the shift cable in last time?
Yeah, shift cables were in, all that stuff
Throttle
was in.
cable's in.
Okay, that's pretty much it for the engine bay.
And
the headlights. Oh, let me show you guys. Tucked fuel pressure regulator. So it's not gonna be in the engine bay, because usually we mount them right here, but the fuel pressure regulator is tucked. I'm trying to show the best part of this car.
You gotta take it slow, bro. You gotta you're kind of moving too fast. They want to see the goodies, like.
The car
step
looks.
back and show them like the fucking.
The finish on the car is brand new.
Let me just do a quick little walk around because.
All right, you give them a walk.
Let them enjoy this, bro. Check that out.
Everything is brand new, like brand new.
Oh. Check that out.
It doesn't get better than. It does not get better than.
Did you put a single bolt on this car though?
I'm here for moral support. But let's check out
Wait. Before we kind of get in there real quick.
What are you trying to do?
Check out those door panels, baby.
What are those?
And yes, those are real CTR door panels.
OEM CTR door.
OEM CTR door panels.
Damn, that matches a shift box. All right, so what changed also, we got an NRG quick release hub here with the Momo steering wheel with the NSX horn. Shit looks dope. How come you only put one door panel on?
Because I still have to put this rubber on. And I didn't get a chance to put power to this door today.
Oh, so what did you do to the show us the passenger door?
Oh, the passenger side is complete.
Because you were working on that. It says complete?
Yes.
What we got over here?
Brand new molding. This is brand new. This is brand new.
Okay, got a fresh door.
Fresh door, baby. Check that out.
The door panel is brand new.
Look at that. VIN number still here. Nice molding. You know, no cut corners over here.
I don't know. They said, everybody in the comments said they wanted heat. So they wanted heat. They want, some people want a subwoofer. I don't want the subwoofer. So.
Oh, let me see.
What else we got in here? Ain't really much has changed besides, I gotta put the seats in here, but you're not gonna tell them what seats you got.
Seats are gonna be the last thing. I want you guys to guess what kind of seats we're gonna put in, or what kind of seats do you guys want to be in this car?
I guess drop in the comments what seats you guys think would look good in here. I might say Type R's or black Recaros. Red on red might be a little bit like, it might pop too much, you know? Is the interior finished in the back?
The back, yes.
Oh my
nice
God.
WeatherTech mat, so I can go get my groceries. But I'm just still waiting for the wood piece to go in the trunk. But.
All right, so this car's missing windows.
Oh, the glass guys are gonna be here tomorrow. I'm gonna put all the glass in. I got a brand new windshield for the car. All new moldings, obviously, too. We're probably gonna start this car maybe the end of the week.
End of the week. You guys.
What, today is what, Tuesday?
End of the week. All right, boys, I'm gonna end that video here. The window guys should be here tomorrow. The car will look more of a complete car then. All the moldings, trim, everything will be on. Mirrors, so make sure to drop in the comments what you guys think we should put in here for seats. I'm gonna go black Recaro, so I'll see you guys in the comments.